Here are the 3 things that I wish I knew when I was first starting to learn how to code in Python. And do not take a course. I know this is a really hot take, but like, I feel like taking projects and working on something you genuinely like is such a faster way to actually learn the language, because the amount of time you spend listening to the guy in the lecture talk about the language and like all the specific things, like you're not going to be able to properly understand it unless you are using an application. The next thing is use AI tools to your benefit. So I didn't have this when I was learning it, but I think if I was doing it right now, I'd use a Claude, I'd use even ChatGPT, like as I'm building it, to understand where the bugs or like where any of the errors in my code are coming up to help me get to the end point. Because sometimes what really helps is being able to have that instant response and feedback. So like the same way you have a TA when you're in undergrad, you want to use this AI tool as a partner to help you learn. And I feel like that was such a like a clutch way to do it now. Last thing is, if you're not posting about it on LinkedIn, it did not happen. And I feel so strongly about this as someone who posts on LinkedIn so freaking regularly. Like, you want to post about it because people on LinkedIn are the people that are going to be offering you opportunities and jobs and the places that you want to go to. So when you do a project, when you have an experience doing anything work related, anything in the industry that you want to be doing, to post about your projects that you work on in Python on LinkedIn and see how people react. If it means anything, my first job out of college, I literally got because the person who was hiring really liked the project that I was working on. Let me know if you want a part 2, and as always, follow for more professional and personal growth tips.